tonight, coming back at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I did my flower wall. Okay, so you're going to start with four poster boards. Well, that's what I started with. It's just depending on how big you want it. A lot of flowers, a hot glue gun, and I'm going to glue all of the poster boards together. Y'all, let me tell y'all, this was a lot of freaking work. Like, it took like 3 days to do with the help of my siblings. Okay, my sisters came clutch, especially my girl Lele. Girl, if you watching this, thank you so much, because she real life did my post. I was like so tired. I was like, you know what, can you do this? She's like, yeah. So she did it, and she did an amazing job. But right now you just see me, I'm just plucking the flowers off the stems because you don't need them stems. Okay, but you're going to need the green leaves off the stems too to add that green dimension up in there. So my colorway was pink because this is a I'm using it as a background for my pictures for my clients. So of course my colors are pink and white. So those are the colors I used, and I used some peonies, dahlias, roses, hydrangeas, Aster, I believe that's how you say it, and petunias. And yeah, all of the information will be down below, like how many stems I use and stuff like that. So it'll be down below, but you're just gonna see me do this, y'all. First, I laid out, the flowers how I wanted it to be, and then I started gluing everything down. But I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let y'all watch the video, and yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Well, y'all, this is the end of this video. This is the completed flower wall. Don't it look so beautiful? Oh my goodness gracious. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you could join the family, of course. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.